What if I share with you simple ingredients that you can use to make your deep conditioner at home? This deep conditioning treatment is moisturizing, conditioning, and softening. Keep watching as I show you how to make this amazing deep conditioner. Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make an amazing deep conditioning treatment. This treatment will help to moisturize, condition, and soften your hair. So keep watching. The first ingredient we have for the conditioning treatment is slippery elm. So this is the slippery elm powder that I will be using. So slippery elm is amazing detangling. It helps to detangle the hair. It also helps to condition it, locking in moisture to your hair. It also helps to add shine. So if your hair is dry and thirsty and you encounter a lot of problem when detangling it, then you need to add something moisturizing like slippery elm. The next ingredient we will be adding is marshmallow root. So this is another powerful ingredient that produce mucilage just like slippery elm, but slippery elm really produce a lot of mucilage. This produces less mucilage, but it also helps to soften the hair, detangle it, condition, and lock in moisture. These two ingredients combined together can help your hair to thrive if you have dry, damaged hair, and if your hair is really you you experience a lot of tangles when detangling your hair, then incorporating these two ingredients to your hair care routine will really help. So I have been using these ingredients, and since the time I started using them, my hair has really changed, and I've been having less breakage during detangling, especially during my wash days. My wash days has been easier than ever before. So I measured 1 tablespoon of each ingredient, transferred to a pot, and then added about 1.5 cup of water. Note that these ingredients are really they really produce a lot of mucilage, and you will notice that it will start thickening. So you keep adding water, or you use less of the powders. So as you can see, mine has really started thickening, and it's now ready. Just 2 to 5 minutes are enough to make this extract. So as we are waiting for the treatment to cool down, now we are moving to the next ingredient, and I will be using just one medium avocado. So avocado is rich in natural oils, which helps to condition the hair, adding shine, also softening the hair. So avocado, I'm not going to talk more about the avocado because it is really a good um, ingredient that you can use to deep condition your hair. In case you don't have the store-bought deep conditioners, then using these ingredients all together, your hair will be softer and more manageable. So the extract cooled down, and now I'm gonna strain out. And I'm using my cheesecloth, a piece of cloth with very tiny holes. So you do not want to uh, the chunks to be left on your hair when applying this, because it can really be difficult and it tangle a lot. So just make sure to use a cheesecloth or a piece of t-shirt with very tiny holes in order to strain your treatment. So I went ahead and blended the avocado separately just because I did not want to blend them together. Last time I blended them together and the treatment turned watery, because if you blend the slippery elm and the marshmallow root extract, it it turns watery, so that's why I blended separately. So right now I'm straining just to remove the avocado um, chunks. So as you can see, this is the leftover. I'm going to throw them away. And this is the treatment we have got after straining out. Now I'll be adding my oil. This is my herbal homemade oil that I'm using. You can use the oil of your choice to add. So the reason why I'm adding oil is to make sure that the deep conditioner adds a lot of moisture to the hair. Also, it helps to make the treatment more softening. So now we are going to the application process, and my hair is clean. Today is my wash day, so I'll be using this, like I said before, as a deep treatment or deep conditioner. So if you guys are watching this video and yet you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing to this channel. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share so that it can help someone out there. So as you can see, I'm applying in sections, one section at a time. I apply making sure that each hair section is well saturated with this treatment, and once I'm done, I proceed to twisting it down. This treatment is really softening and moisturizing, like I said before. So incorporating these ingredients, the three of them, to your hair care routine, you will notice a change in terms of the hair softness. Also, your hair will become shiny. Remember the purpose of deep condition to make sure that the hair is well moisturized, because shampoo tends to rape the hair's natural oil. So applying a deep conditioner, it will help to bring back the moisture that has been lost during wash days. So applying this at your home will really help your hair. And this one is cost effective. It is cheap and affordable, just with one avocado. And if you have slippery elm, and it's cheap to make. In case you don't have slippery elm, you can replace it with flaxseed or okra or aloe vera. So you can use this treatment every wash day after you wash your hair. This deep conditioning treatment is also a game changer in terms of thickening your hair. Remember, this is all natural, and if you apply or you use it consistently after every wash day, you will notice that your hair becomes thicker and softer as you continue. So if you want to grow your hair thicker naturally without any chemicals, then you need to consider adding natural ingredients like this to your hair care routine. So once I apply this, I'm going to apply the remaining of the treatment just to make sure that it's all done. And then after that, I'll go ahead and cover my hair with a plastic bag or a shower cap for about 1 hour. And then after 1 hour, I will go ahead and rinse it off. And thank you so much guys for watching this video to the end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Also share this video and like it. I will see you in the next one. Bye.